How's it going, guys? Black Up Tech Guy here, back with another unboxing video. Actually, I already unboxed this. What had happened was I didn't realize that my audio was not working. I, for some reason, thought that my mic was turned on, and it was not. So I already unboxed everything. So we're just doing a kind of quick overview unboxing, I suppose, of this. So this is the HP printer, or I'm sorry, this is the Insta360 Pocket Printer from Insta360. So Insta360 earlier this year, if you haven't been following, they came out with a bunch of new accessories. They came out with 3 lenses, ultra wide, a macro, and a cinematic, as well as this right here, which is a pocket printer. Now, from what I've gathered from watching a lot of videos on this, and from where I see Insta360 going with the Ace Pro 2, they're really trying to put it up there with the Fujifilm's Instafilm, the Polaroid, and the Kodak's Insta, whatever, I forgot what they call theirs, as well as HP's mobile printer, the Sprocket, which is basically a consumer-friendly version of these, and not the kind of more office style. That's a lot more portable. So that's where I'm thinking Ace or Insta360 is going with this, which at first when I saw this, I thought it was really kind of a dumb accessory. I didn't really think anybody would, you know, use a printer for an action camera. The lenses, that made sense to have different lenses. But after I watched more and more videos of this, I really saw how much of a useful tool this can be, especially for those who have an action camera and they want to take a picture of something in the moment, or if you're on vacation and you want to take a photo of something. This definitely will come in handy. It does come with 1 cartridge for 10 photos. I've heard it says it's with 10 or 20, but I won't know until I actually get a chance to actually take a few photos myself. But yeah, so basically this is kind of an overview. So what comes with it is the printer, the photo cartridge, a USB-C, the USB-A charger, the adapter, and the carrying case. So this is the carrying case for it, which is, again, it's nice. It's kind of a nice felt, velvet kind of feel. Now, obviously, there is a bundle that you can get with the printer in this one, and that one you get a leather pouch, but I kind of like this one over that one. And then this is the USB-C to USB-A cord to charge it, and then this is the adapter that you will need to attach it to the printer, and then this is the printer itself. Now there's the power button is on this side right here, as you can see, and then on the other side this is where you load the cartridge, which I've already done. Now, getting it out is a pain. I actually tried taking it out and then putting it back in. It's a lot more harder to take it out versus putting it back in. So you do want to be careful with that, because if you damage the cartridge, you have to buy more. Which, as far as I know right now, the only place you can get them at is Insta360's website. I don't believe there's any third parties, at least not yet. But you can eject this by there's a little button, and you won't be able to see it because it's on the bottom right under this. But this is your eject, which is basically allows you to just pull it out and then replace it with new photo. Otherwise, once that's it, then you simply just attach it like that. Now, when it comes to attaching your Insta360 to this, I did not know at the time that you couldn't do it any other way than with the grip. Now, I don't know if this works with both this as well as the Explorer grip. I'm gonna have to try it with the Explorer grip, but I believe you can only do it with the Pro, because the Insta360 itself does not work. So on the Explorer grip, it will not work with that, because this is the quick release for the Pro. This is for the Explorer one. So I believe if you had the Explorer one, it will not work with this. It has to be the Pro grips. And basically how that attaches is it's just a quick release attachment like this. You've got your little button right here that you press, and that, as you can see, these go down. That simply just attaches like that, and then that's it. And then to release it, it's like that. Now, to mount it onto this, there are 2 different ways you can do this, and this is just something that I just learned. So you got a slot here and a slot there. So this is the normal way. Just if you want to just take normal photos, and you just put this on there like such, and then there you go. That's one way of doing it. Then, if you wanted to kind of store it away, there is a thing on the bottom of the quick adapter, which is this right there. You simply just slide it this way. And then, again, you simply just take your Pro grip with your Insta360 in it, and then you simply just attach it like such. Now, I will not be carrying mine like this, because I don't really carry action cameras like this one, especially if I have like some sort of an adapter or something like that. I just find that to be just a little bit more bulkier, and it's a little bit harder for me to put in my backpack because you could damage something. So we'll not be doing that way. I'll just probably just simply slide off the adapter, and then when I need to use it, I can simply just slide it back on, and then that's it. And again, like I said before, the power button is right there. And then to simply charge it, again, that's your USB-C plug-in right there. This simply just plugs in, and this is plugged into a regular USB port like such. And then when it needs to be charged, you will know, because what will happen is that this little green light, it'll go solid, and that just means that once it's solid, it's fully charged. When it's blinking, that means it is charging. So I haven't really had a chance to charge it up, but I will be doing a little bit more testing with this, and just kind of showing you some of the photos that you can get out of this in terms of like the quality. But from what I've read, from what I've seen, the quality on this is supposed to be really good. So that's all that I got for you guys. I just want to thank everybody for watching. Again, this is just a quick, another unboxing of the Insta360 printer, because like I said, the audio was out. I didn't realize my mic was turned off, but I definitely would recommend this going into 2026, or with it being 2026, because that's when this video will be out. If you're buying an Insta360 Ace Pro 2, I highly recommend getting this. It's really cool. If you ever want to get any type of Instastack from Fuji or Polaroid or anything like that, or HP Sprocket, this is definitely worth it if you already have the action camera. I don't see DJI, nor do I see GoPro actually coming out with anything like this. So that is why I think that the Insta360 is going to probably be one of the most versatile action cameras out there, because you can do so much with it. So that's all that I got for you guys. I want to thank everybody for watching it. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up, as these likes do help me create better content. Stay tuned for my next review of this, and especially when I get my lens for my Insta360. I did order the cinematic lens. This will be my first type of lens for an action camera. So stay tuned for that. So if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss that content when I drop it. And I'm going to thank everybody for watching, and happy 2026.